Today I got a quick tip on shining chrome bumpers to take away that oxidation. You see how it's got that dull oxidation on it and make it shine up and look 100 times better. First, you need a chicken. No, I'm just kidding. What I use is this Meguiar's cleaner wax. To me, it does a real good job of cleaning it up and making it shine, and it also help protect it against the elements from getting dull again. And then you're going to need 2 microfiber cloths, one for applying the wax and one for polishing the dried wax off. Take your wax cloth, put just a little bit on it at a time. You don't want to put too much, you're just making more work for yourself. Rub it in as you need more, just put a little bit more on your rag and just start rubbing it in and buffing it really good. Circular motions do a real good job up around here. Kind of ain't got no choice but to rub in a straight line, but you just want to rub it in really good. You can already see a bunch of junk coming out of it. When you get dirty like that, switch to a different spot on your cloth. Just a little bit at a time and just keep going. Also, I should mention, you want to make sure the bumper's been washed and good and clean and dry before you start doing this. Now, after you've finished polishing the whole thing, let it dry for a few minutes. You want that glaze to dry on it. One way you can check to make sure it's dry enough, take your finger and wipe it. If it comes off clean and it's not smearing, that means that it's dry. It's just coming off like a powder. You want to make sure it's good and dry before you start trying to wipe it off, or it's going to make it much harder on you. Then take your clean microfiber cloth and just start buffing all that dry glaze off. Make sure to get in the cracks really good. And then there's the final result. As you can see, it shined up pretty good. Looks pretty decent considering it's 22 years old. That cleaner wax does a pretty good job of cleaning up them chrome bumpers. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.